So it's finally time for the car to go. Luckily, it is just going for the respray, so it will be back. However, after a few months now of trying to get the car all ready together, as you'll probably see in my last video, it is now fully ready to go. Done the final little bits on it the other night, so I'm really happy with how that came out, and it's really cool to see the car fully built, ready to go. In the back, I've got all the bits that are going to be sprayed. Some of them will be body colour, some of them will be standard colour. All the trims, a bit around the side, the sills, the grills, etc. Ready for its little trip away. Now luckily I have a friend with a car transporter, so he was able to work with me to get the car away over to the spray shop. And then with that dropped off, it should be there away for about a month, but we'll have to see. However, that gives me some garage space. So let's move on to everything else. So with the car gone, we have some room. Now, it's not much, but it's enough to get me a bit more room around the engine. We've got 4 main jobs. Engine, strip down, add all the gaskets, fully rebuild, including everything on the engine, ready to go. Headliner, this needs redoing. Obviously, it's the classic saggy, not a problem. It should be a nice, good job, especially with all the room I've got. And then the gearbox. So this is from a E34 535i. I think it's a Getrag 260.6. Now I've got a few of these. However, this is one of the best conditions one. There's no real bad leaks from either end. So I'm not going to go crazy, I don't think. I don't want to be opening it up too much. However, I do want to be getting it cleaned up and replated and a few of the little fancy jobs on it. So I'm really hoping to keep it in one piece. However, I know what I'm like. I might take it too far. But you've got 3 main seals, one here, and then one in there. And then there's a general kind of check over to make sure it's all okay. So with the block in this position, it's now ready for the rebuild. Just waiting on a few bits. I need a fancy torque wrench and a few other bits, but I do have every single part ready to go. We've got the parts in there that are all ready to go. So we're starting this in the next video, as there's a few little things I need to go over and just double check that I've got everything ready to go. Just kind of have a bit of clean up so I'm more prepared. Headliner wise, that can wait. That should be a nice easy job. I just need to figure out what fabric to go for. Whether I go for I'm just thinking a black one, but I could go for a different color, but I've had a few suggestions, but we'll see about that later. And the one thing I did miss, the final job, is the carpets. So the carpets will be dyed a black, just like the sport models. And then with the gearbox, I've just started to kind of taking bits apart. I'll do a bit of video on this as well, of how I just replace all the seals. However, I am not going to strip it down, as that might cause a bit too many issues. So just with a few other bits to do on this, and then we can get that rebuilt. Just started planning in the little parts that I want to replace, want to replate, want to replace, etc. So this is all now stripped down, ready to go. Honestly, one of the main reasons for stripping this was to get it vapor blasted, as everything will be off. However, like I said, I want to keep it all together. So I'm going to have to work out a way to clean this up better. And we'll figure out a few ways, but I want it to look as tidy as the engine.